Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to destination for honest, in-depth reviews of the most exciting machines on wheels. Today, we're exploring a true giant in the world of luxury travel, the 2025 Kenworth Double Glass Motorhome. And let me tell you, this isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling masterpiece. At first glance, the 2025 Kenworth grabs your attention with its commanding presence. Built on the rugged reliability of Kenworth's heavy-duty truck platform, this motorhome boasts a futuristic design with its standout feature, the double-glass exterior. It's not just for looks. The dual-pane glass provides better insulation, noise reduction, and UV protection. Imagine cruising through the desert or snowy mountains, all while maintaining the perfect temperature inside, effortlessly. Now let's step inside. And trust me, this is where the magic really begins. The interior is like a luxury condo on wheels. It features an open-concept layout with a panoramic glass ceiling, real hardwood flooring, and soft touch finishes all around. Natural light pours in during the day, and at night, customizable LED mood lighting takes over, giving the space a warm and modern vibe. The lounge area is fitted with plush leather seating, a pop-up 65-inch smart TV, and an integrated surround sound system that's perfect for movie nights or chill evenings. And yes, you've got full control of everything, from lighting to climate to entertainment, right from your phone or the central smart tablet. Moving into the kitchen, it's designed for serious cooking. You get a high-end induction cooktop, convection oven, a full-size fridge, and even a built-in espresso machine. The countertops are polished granite, and storage is cleverly hidden in soft close cabinets and drawers, giving you form and function. And when it's time to rest, the master bedroom does not disappoint. You've got a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, blackout shades, individual climate control, and a skylight for stargazing at night. The attached spa-style bathroom includes a rainfall shower, heated floors, and premium finishes that scream boutique hotel rather than RV. Let's not forget the driver's cabin, where performance meets innovation. Behind the wheel, you'll find a digital cockpit with a 15-inch touchscreen display, AI-powered navigation, and voice control for hands-free operation. Driving this behemoth is surprisingly smooth thanks to active air suspension, adaptive cruise control, and a hybrid diesel-electric engine that delivers both power and efficiency. It's quieter, greener, and gives you a range of over 800 miles on a full tank, perfect for long hauls without worrying about frequent stops. Safety is also top-notch. The 2025 Kenworth includes a full 360-degree camera system, lane departure warning, emergency auto-braking, and trailer assist, all standard. Now I know what you're thinking. What about storage and utility? Well, the lower compartments offer huge cargo space for bikes, camping gear, and tools. There's even an integrated solar power setup and a water purification system for off-grid adventures. To wrap it up, the 2025 Kenworth Double Glass Motorhome isn't just a luxury RV. It's a mobile smart home, built for those who want freedom, power, and comfort in one unstoppable package. So, is this the ultimate motorhome of the future? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next big thing in the world of wheels. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Wheels, where luxury meets the road.